Hello my billionaire family, welcome back. Today's tutorial will be on this paper gele. So if you have paper gele, you can achieve this style with it. I'm using two different type of paper gele. That is what I'm using. The gele is very easy, guys. I did not even use office pen for this gele to see how easy it is. So this one paper gele here, I just fold it an inch, then place it on my head. So for the ratio for this gele is like 20-80 ratio, because one hand has to be longer than the other hand, like so. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Shorter hand will be under, while longer hand will be on top. So now we'll be placing the other hand on top of it now. That is the other paper gele. I will be placing it on top of it. So here is the second paper gele. I will be doing the same thing also. Just fold it an inch like that, yes. Then place it like so. So if you want this gele to be more finer, you can just decide to do pleats. Just look at the way I'm crossing the hand, guys. Longer hand on top, shorter hand down. Longer hand on top, shorter hand down. Look at Clara, this gele. So that is it. Just look at the way I cross it there, guys. It's very easy. So look at that. So two short hand will be in the same place and two longer hand will be in the same place. Don't forget that, guys. So now the next thing is that I'll be twisting it. By the special grace of God, I'll be tying this gele to church on Sunday, because it's very easy. It's not something that is hard. So just look at that. Just start forming the twist, and the twisting is very easy. You just be like folding the gele like so. Just look at that. So you will do all this process till you reach the end of the gele. Do this process till you reach the end of the gele. So look at that. Just placing it like so, like that. Just look at that, guys. It's come out very nice, serious, and it's really come out nice. So I'm just tying it at that back, and that is all. So for this gele, guys, you did not even need office pen. Seriously, you didn't need office pen. So just tie it at the back. But if you want yours to be very firm, to be tight very well, you can just decide to use office pen to pin it at that back, and that is it. So that is it, guys. Do let me know what you think about this tutorial, and please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share my video with your loved ones. I really appreciate that. And please also follow your girl on Instagram. So that is it about the gele, guys. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Please stay safe. Stay safe in wherever you are in the country. May the good Lord be with us all. I love you guys. Bye.